So, my name is Tao Ma, and my idea is pretty much a simple idea is trying. As for like the innovation center, is I'm trying to just like basically innovate an existing form on the campus. So in this case, is Herman Hall directly across the street. So you can see that 103 iteration is basically like masses adding or cutting through a simple box. But so basically, I have like just a very the layout of the wall of the Herman Hall building is very clear, but I want to make like a strong distinction, not in just form, but also the cladding also. So I created this glass louver system to kind of like show like a strong distinction to the building, and like the interior, instead of like being completely open space, I was like exploring whether I can using like different geometric shapes to create like the different interior volumes that it itself could also become different programs. So for like this case, I'm just like kind of using complete geometric shapes like a circle and another box and like a triangle to kind of like give it like a sense of drama. And so like about the program, fabrication workshop, I put it on the top floor because you can see like in the aerial view, top floor is actually completely open to outside, and these louvers not only provide sunlight but also provide a interesting shading effect. I also feel like it gives enough natural lighting to people whoever works in the shop, so it will be kind of like a strong contrast in M&M, which I always thought never gets enough light for me. And the same thing with the electrical lab, but for the electrical lab they get the space that kind of like just that protrudes the original boxing mass, so over here, and so they could like actually have like a better I would say like a better view than most other programs. And just for like the classroom and the computer lab, I would just say that it's just pretty like generic spaces, something. And finally, on like the bottom floor, which is the floor that we all know is to be the most open, I decided that it's logically that would be the flexible space there. And yeah, so I kind of just really want to provide like a contrast between what's already there and what's new. So I just like keep showing like renderings that have Herman halls, including like this one, which is actually seen from the building to the outside. So yeah, like also like the explosive components. Every single component of what's already there is also there. So you'll have the mullions and the Y flange and even these two large ones that kind of like that.